shake it off, shake it off. I love this spray. This is how we want the braids to remain. Sanbonani Dumelang, hello, my name is Marande and welcome to my channel. So let's get into this braids maintenance. For context, I've had these braids now for about 3 weeks. First things first, sleep with the braids on. This is a very important step. Even if you don't have curls, but especially when you have curls, please cover them when you go to sleep, all right? This is what my hair looks like. First thing I want to do is just shake it out, shake it off, shake it off. And also like gently separate with my fingers. Now this separation thing is something I do every day, honestly. Before I style my hair, I go in and I separate. I intentionally used a whole lot of curls, as you'll see in the previous video where I was doing the hairstyle. It was intentional. I wanted this curly energy going on. But my doll here, we work. And this is the work we do. So you see, when I try to separate and like it's fighting, you just go ahead gently. But if it's too dry, then you know it's time for this routine we're going to do today. And of course, because it's synthetic, there will be shedding. I am going to be using this foam mousse by Momo Lemon. As always, shake, 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 shake so that you can actually get foam. And then I'm going to come back a decent amount. Sana, don't be shy, be generous. So this is mainly for the curls, okay? It is to revive the curls, to bring them back to life and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to apply it starting where I somewhat started adding curls, which is about here. And then after I put it in, I just rake through and separate. This is going to restore the shine to the curls and also keep them curly. It will also tame the frizz that the curls probably have by now. And I do this about once a week. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am blessed. I am blessed, I am, I am. Now this is done. I'm going to flip to the outside.
I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am.
Now, just for control and because I want to, I'm gonna add more mousse to the ends and just focus only on the ends.
I am. Every day, always on my head high, my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Feeling like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye-bye. Energy, feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and I feel hopeless.
Now onto scalp care, I'm going to go in with this Masodi anti-itch mist. This is to hydrate my scalp, prevent any itching. It has tea tree in here, which is excellent. It also has menthol, which gives that tingling sensation. I love this spray.
yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am blessed with another chance.
As I spray, I also massage it in. So spray, then you want to massage it in just to help your scalp, you know, receive that stuff. Also, if you don't have an anti-age mist, I suppose don't worry about it. It just does help, especially if you know yourself as someone who's trying to avoid dandruff, because you're not going to have a wash day soon. An anti-age spray is good, but if you don't have one, don't worry, doll. Your normal H2O in a spritz bottle also does the job. The point is hydration, just that this is hydration with extra ingredients that, you know, they play a role as well, but with H2O will always work.
Blessed with another chance, blessed with another chance, I am blessed with another chance, I am blessed with another chance, I am blessed with another chance,
And then you kind of want to let the spray just like settle for a little bit before you layer on something else. So I'm going to do that, then I'll be back. Next, I'm going to go in with this Ebony Shades 4-in-1 serum. I've now waited for about 10 minutes. I think it's settled enough for me to go in with this. The reason why you don't want to immediately just layer another product is because you want to give the previous one time to soak in, so that when you come in with this, the other one has already started doing its job. I love this serum. I've spoken about it in so many videos, and literally it's becoming essential when it comes to my scalp care. Okay, this is my hairstyle for the day. Something very simple. Now I can go in with this Edge Control by HMOG just to keep my edges together. I really don't feel like doing much. It is hot and I'm on my way to church. But
if you take me, I'll go even to the unknown, and I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. You won't leave me alone, even in the unknown, and I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. Yeah. I've been through the fire, I've been through the storm, seen a lot of love, I've seen a lot of war, took a lot of losses, then I took some more. Even through it all, I know you fighting for me. Through all my lowest days, when I was losing faith, through all the tears and pain, still though I wouldn't trade. None of it wasn't it all, making me something better than what I've been. And I want it, I'm loving it, let's run it.
And that's it. Look at that. Exactly. This is how we want the braids to remain. As flowy as they used to be when we first installed them. And with this routine, you can achieve exactly that. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. I will catch you in my next one.
When I'm low, still I know that I'm not alone. I lean on you and I know you'll keep me strong. So tryna rise up, had to dead end. Every day I wake